Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy Dashara holidays to everyone.
Is a tutorial of how to solve it. The method which I'm going to share you is easy and it has very less algorithms to memorize, and it's also a fast way, so stay tuned to learn it. So since I don't have a shuffle cube ready with me, let's shuffle this thing up. We have a shuffled cube right in front of us, and let's see how to solve it. Now, solving one Rubik's cube, the easiest way is solving it layer by layer. So let's begin with our first layer, and our top color would be white. Okay, so first we have to solve this white, and this has no algorithms to memorize. So what you have to do is, let's imagine that this white piece has one red corner, white and red edge. This edge piece should be like this. The edges has to be matched, a white over here and a red. And for the corner piece, it should be like this. See here, a green matches with green, the red matches with the red, and the white matches with white. So like this we have to solve the first layer, and I'll meet you guys after solving it. Okay, so right now our first layer has been solved. As you can see, all the colors match with their centerpiece. So right now let's match these edges. The second layer, all we have to match is the edges, which has a specific formula. So if you take this piece, you can see that this piece should come down here, right? This piece should come down here, and since I'll be keeping this to my right, I'll be keeping this to my right in this manner. So you can see that this will be coming here. For this kind of things, we have to make use of the formula. See here, from here to here, where to use the formula R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U R, U R. R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U R, U R, U. Or else U R, U R. Next, if you see here carefully, in the top we have no other such kind of edges, but the second layer is not yet completed. So instead, all of these colors are hidden in these places, and all we have to do is remove them and keep it where they have to be. Like this thing has to be removed and kept over here. But for that, we have to make use of the same formula, that is R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U R, U R. And it will be removed and it will be placed on the top, and then we can put it in the place where it has to be. So I first remove this thing. Now this has to come down here. Make use of the same formula. Next case is this piece should come to my front. This piece should come to my front. So for this way, we have to use R, U, R, U, R. U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime. See? U R U R U R U prime R prime U prime R prime. Now it is solved. We have the last piece which is here, and this should come from my top to my like right, down right. So let's use the same formula: R prime U prime R prime U prime R prime U R U R U. Now our second layer has also been solved entirely. Congratulate yourself. Right now we have to solve our third layer, which is an important one. This had many formulas though. The first, we have to form the cross. Okay, now if you see here carefully, you don't have the cross on top. For that, we have some particular cases. Now this is the L case. The L case, what you have to do is, you have to keep one facing down and one facing to your right in this manner, and then you have to solve using F. Okay, F. Just a minute. Okay, here we have the L shape. So for the L, we have to use F, then R, then U, then R prime, U prime, and here F prime. Okay? Now let's see for the case of L, it'll be same thing, okay? But keep one down and keep one here and do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. F prime. Then you'll have the L for the line. The line you have to keep horizontally and do the same formula. Now you have your cross. Next one, see the edge pieces. The edge pieces has to be solved. For that, we have to first, here we have two cases. Here, the first cases, they are consecutive to each other. So for consecutive, we have to use R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U2, and R prime, U. Okay? Now the second case is let's see at our second case. Okay, this is not coming. The second case is when the opposite edges are like solved. For that, we have to do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, and R. And like you must not do R. You have to stop. And then you have to do, then you will get consecutive and then do the same formula R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, U. Now all of your edges have been solved. Now the corners has to be solved. So first search for a solved corner piece. And if you don't have any, choose any side. Here I'll choose the orange and I'll do R. Okay, keep orange as your face, your front, and do R, U prime, L prime, U, then R prime, U prime, L, U. Now search for any piece that has been solved. Yeah, this has been solved. The red, the green, and the yellow. So this corner is solved. So keep this to your left. Okay, this to my left, and do the same formula again. Now you will see that all these edges have been solved. Now invert the cube, keeping white as your top again, and this formula is the last one, and your cube is solved. This formula is to solve the partially solved corner pieces. Now here I'll choose this corner piece to solve first. So I'll keep it to my right and I'll do R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. Now this corner piece has been solved. Now keep the same face there. The red was my front, so keep it to your front. Don't change it. But you have to turn this bottom thing. You have to do like the D prime or a D. Okay? Now I'll choose the D prime in this case, and I'll do the same formula to solve it. R U R prime U prime, R U R prime, R U R prime U prime. This is solved. And then take this piece and do the same formula. Your cube has been solved. Now this one I'll be sharing with you the algorithm chart at the end of the video for you, my friends, to see, and then you can learn it even more better. Fine friends, my name is Chiritusya and I am signing off. Catch up in the next video. Bye.
Hope this tutorial is helpful for all of you, my friends. If so, like, share and subscribe. Bye.